A continent divided. The 1947 partition. India and Pakistan, once united under British rule, embarked on different paths in 1947. The partition, rooted in religious differences, led to the creation of two independent nations, India, with a Hindu majority, and Pakistan, with a Muslim majority. This historic event triggered mass migrations, with millions crossing borders amidst communal violence and displacement. The scars of partition continue to impact the relationship between the two nations. Democracy versus Islamic Republic, the political divide. India adopted a secular, democratic system, embracing diversity. Pakistan established itself as an Islamic republic, with Islam central to its governance. These contrasting ideologies shape their policies and relations. This divide often results in diplomatic standoffs and suspicion. These differences continue to shape their relations. Economic tales of two nations. India, with its vast size and resources, boasts a rapidly growing economy. It has emerged as a global player in sectors like information technology, pharmaceuticals, and manufacturing. Pakistan, facing economic challenges, has shown resilience in areas like agriculture and textiles. India's economic liberalization in the 1990s unleashed its growth potential, attracting foreign investment and fostering innovation. Pakistan, grappling with political instability and security concerns, has struggled to keep pace with India's economic expansion. Despite the disparity in their economic performance, both countries face common challenges like poverty, unemployment, and inequality. They are also striving to improve their infrastructure, education, and healthcare systems. The economic trajectories of India and Pakistan reveal both opportunities and challenges. While India's economic rise presents opportunities for regional collaboration, Pakistan's economic stability is crucial for peace and prosperity in South Asia. Bollywood versus Coke Studio cultural powerhouse. India and Pakistan share historical and cultural roots. Bollywood captivates audiences worldwide with its colorful films and music. Pakistan's Sufi traditions and folk music gain recognition through Coke Studio. Cultural exchanges bridge the divide between the two nations. Their cultural soft power fosters dialogue and shapes perceptions. Section 5. Military might and nuclear concerns. Both India and Pakistan possess substantial military capabilities. India, with its large army and advanced weaponry, ranks among the world's top military powers. Pakistan, with its focus on defense, has developed a formidable military force. The nuclear tests conducted by both countries in 1998 heightened global concerns about an arms race in South Asia. The specter of nuclear conflict looms large, underscoring the need for responsible nuclear stewardship. Both nations allocate significant resources to their defense budgets, reflecting the enduring security dilemma in the region. Confidence-building measures and dialogue are crucial to mitigating the risk of military escalation. The military strength of India and Pakistan, while intended for deterrence, underscores the fragile security environment. It necessitates ongoing efforts to promote dialogue and build trust. Section 6. Social progress and future hopes. India and Pakistan face similar social challenges, including poverty, illiteracy, and gender inequality. Both countries have made strides in human development, with improvements in literacy rates and access to healthcare. India's initiatives like the Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act aim to alleviate poverty and empower rural communities. Pakistan has implemented social safety net programs like the Benazir Income Support Program to provide financial assistance to the most vulnerable. Despite the progress made, both countries need to invest more in education, healthcare, and social welfare to ensure inclusive development. Addressing social inequalities is crucial for fostering peace and stability. The future of India and Pakistan hinges on their ability to overcome historical baggage and embrace cooperation. Dialogue, trade, and people-to-people contacts hold the key to unlocking the potential for a brighter future.